Please link it. I'm recording.
Check. How was the magic?
Fine.
Awesome. Let's make it more interesting by calling someone from here. Whom should we call?
Suraj.
The one who raised the hand. We're never gonna call them. The one who is very silent, we're gonna call only them. Let's see who's very silent, yeah. Whom you want?
Suraj.
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 Yeah, with a big round of applause. Let's welcome Suraj here. Yeah, applause. Yeah, Suraj, you go step. Hi, for Suraj, we got something special. You know what? It's the most powerful thing on the earth. That is the magic wand. This is the most powerful thing on the earth. You're gonna hold this. Please don't disturb me. Turn that side. Yeah. And here we got something. You know what is this? No, I'm not talking about this one. I was talking about this one. You know what is this? It's a old cookie container. Is there a cookie inside? No. But magically we're both gonna get some cookies. And we're gonna give these cookies away. Who want cookies? Oh. Everybody want cookies? Then let's do something. Let's ask a question. The one who's gonna get it right will be getting all these cookies. Let's see. Yeah. Name animal which is dangerous and poisonous. What? Snake. Very good. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna think snake and you're gonna tap on this thrice. Here you go. He thought snake. He tapped on this thrice and wait. I can hear. I know you people don't trust me. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this. Shall we open it here? No. Shall we open it here? No. No, I was just kidding. There is no snake. No. Don't get scared. Yeah, it's just a card snake. Don't get scared. You gotta give a shake hand to the snake. Shake hand. Yeah, thank you so much. Once let's give a big round of applause for him. Thank you so much. Let's take a seat. Now, for the next magic, we need two small kids from here. Very small. Smaller than the body kid.
Sudiksha Akshay.
Wait. Let me pick. Wait. We need two small kids. Yeah, with a big round of applause. Let's welcome the first small kid. The last one. Yeah, with a big round of applause. Let's welcome the first small kid. Yeah. We need two. Here we have one. Alright, yeah, with a big round of applause. Yogesh! Yeah! Please! Yeah, we got two small kids. You can step here. Yeah, very small. Hi, for these two small kids, here we have something. You know what? You know what is this? Cards. I know you got nervous. You can relax for some time. We'll come back to you. You can hold this. Are you good at cards? Oh, he's good at cards since. Don't worry. Now we're not going to play the cards, but instead we're going to count cards. So first small kid, you're going to count 10 cards. How many cards? 10. Yeah, you're going to count like this. 1, 2, 3 on my palm. You're going to count, and what rest of people going to do? You're going to count along with us. Are you ready to count? Yeah, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many cards are there in this? 10. Yeah, there are 10 cards, no doubt about it. But did anybody notice something different for a small kid? Did anybody? No? Wait. I hope you got married. Yeah. Your wife was here? Yes, she is. Where is she? She is here, yeah. Mom, did you notice something different in your husband? Even his wife couldn't be able to figure it out. I tell you what, we didn't get a name. Srinivas. Yeah. You know what? Our Srinivas knows to count 10 cards! We're gonna give a big round of applause for Srinivas. Yeah. Hi, Mr. Srinivas, what are you gonna do is you're gonna take the cards, you're gonna give it to a second small kid. And you're gonna take these cards, keep in your hand, close in the other hand. Very good. Now we're gonna go to a second small kid. Even our second small kid gonna count 10 cards. Here we go. Everybody, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need your name, Yogesh. Yeah. Even a Yogesh knows to count 10 cards. What is supposed to do? Hey, we are supposed to clap for Yogesh too, everybody. Mr. Yogesh, you can keep the rest of the cards there. And you have to take this card, keep in your hands and close another hand. Both of you stretch your hand. Very good. Now, tell me how many cards the first kid got? 10. How many cards the second kid got? Watch. You people are very lucky to see this magic. Watch. We're gonna take a card from here. We're gonna balance in the air. Can you able to see this card? No, you can't see this card because it's invisible. What we're gonna do is we're gonna place it here. You felt that card right? Yes, see, you felt it. Now we're gonna take the second card. We're gonna take a second card like this. We're gonna balance there. Can you able to see this card? No. Why? Because it's invisible, and we're gonna drop the second card here. This time we really felt it. Sometimes people will not feel it. Yeah. Now we're gonna take the third card. The third card is quite heavy. Let me drop it like this. Now tell me how many cards went from here to here? 3. Now watch. We're gonna do a very difficult part of the magic. The difficult part of the magic is we just kept 3 cards, no? We're gonna take the same 3 cards. The same 3 cards. And we'll drop it here. No, she didn't like it actually. Okay, don't worry. We'll not put it back. Instead, we'll count this card so that you'll be impressed. Yeah, what we'll do is, first you're gonna open the cards, open the hands, and you're gonna hold the cards like this. All the cards. And you're gonna drop the cards one by one. And we're gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, picture baki hai. Please open your hands and you're gonna hold the cards like this. Everybody gonna count along with us. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Once let's get a huge round of applause for 2 small kids. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now we're gonna go to the next magic. For the next magic, you know what is this? Newspaper. Very good. Everybody knows this. And tell me how many people have a habit of reading newspaper. Put your hands up. Simply don't raise your hand. We're gonna ask you a question. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how I read newspaper. We got 2 sheets of newspaper here. I'm gonna show you how I read newspaper. You know how I read newspaper? Every morning I read newspaper just like this. Like this. We're gonna do it once again. Watch carefully. We're not gonna show you once again. What we're gonna do? Now, once again, shall we tell it? You have to say yes very loudly. Wait, let me fold this. Shall I tell it once again? Yes. Yes. But wait, she's not happy about it. Why? What happened, ma'am? Yeah. Okay. What she means to say is staying newspaper is a bad thing, it seems. Okay, don't feel bad. We'll just restore it back. Never ever tear a newspaper. Tearing newspaper is a bad thing. Yeah, you can applaud. Now, we're gonna go to the next magic. For the next magic, we need a couple from here who thinks they are the best couple on the earth. Yeah, we have one. With a big round of applause, let's welcome the host. I mean the host.
Record mode.
Yeah, with a big round of applause, let's welcome. Yes, ma'am. It's very doubtful actually. That's okay, ma'am. We'll see it here. We want you here. Check. Yeah. Can somebody take the kid? Yeah, that's great. Yes, we have to come today itself. I take a step over there. Don't get scared. Today I didn't get my gun. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, the best couple on the earth. Excuse me, supposed to. Yeah. I didn't say this because they are paying me, not for that. We're gonna prove this thing today. But before that, I'm gonna separate your wife from you for some time. I want you to come and stand here. Don't be so much happy. This is not permanent. This is only temporary. Okay, quite disappointed. That's fine. You're gonna step over there. You know the best part of this best couple? The best part of this best couple is they don't fight. Those three ladies got out. I know this is gonna happen. That's why we got a machine here today. The machine is here. This is a machine. We have a cloth here. We have an empty bag. Now, ma'am, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this cloth. You're gonna drop it inside. Sir, you're gonna take the cloth out. If you can take the cloth out, then they don't fight. If you can't take the cloth out, they will fight. Who is that? We'll think positively. Here we go. Yes, ma'am, you're gonna take this cloth. You're gonna drop it inside. Yes, sir, you're gonna take the cloth out. Take the cloth out. What happened? No cloth? Okay, take your hands out. Ma'am, you take it out. Wait, this is playing with us. This is not a part of magic. So please don't play with us. Bring it proper inside. Don't hide it. Let it be easy. Can you see the cloth? Which color the cloth is? Red color. Please take the red cloth out. Kids ask him to take it out. No? Not there. Ma'am, you take it out. Wait. He didn't understand the seriousness of the trick. So it's a matter of major prestige. People are recording. Okay. Yeah, now he understood. Don't worry, now he'll take it out. Yes. For last time, can you see the cloth? Easy to access. Please take the cloth out. Wait. Now we'll ask him to pull the bag itself out. Pull the bag itself out. Now he has to get the cloth. See? Hey. It's not there. But wait. Don't laugh. I got it where it is. Can you see a zip here?
Yeah.
Actually, there is a zip. If you open the zip, we'll get the cloth. Don't worry, we'll save your image. Yeah. We're gonna open this zip and you're gonna get the cloth. Please take the cloth out. What? Take your hands out. What you can see? I can see everybody. Hi. I don't know what is happening. Let me close this. Yeah. Now it's your turn. What that means? Yeah, they're the best couple. Once again, let's have a big round of applause for such a wonderful couple. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, we're gonna call someone from here who's very silent from them. Yeah, with a big round of applause. Let's welcome, yes. Even she's not applauding. Correct. Yeah, with a big round of applause. Let's welcome on the stage. Now we're gonna see a very special magic with you. You're gonna step here. For the special magic here, we have the special prop. Yeah, we know it. Yeah, correct. The special prop is, it's a 2 empty paper cups which are stolen from the kitchen area. Now, ma'am, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna hold the paper cup like this and you're gonna stand. Yes. Stretch it. Yeah, very good. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna pour some water. At any point of time, you can say stop, but say it today itself. Okay? Shall we pour some water? Here we go. you forgot some. I guess you forgot something. Okay. Very good. We'll go to the next cup. Now we're gonna pour some water here too. Stop. That's great. We'll pour a little water here. Now what are you gonna do is, I'm gonna hold the paper cup like this. Now you're gonna choose any one paper cup. No. You're gonna choose any one. Which one? That one. Thank you. I'll take this. You're gonna take this in your right hand. You're gonna hold it like this. Now watch. What we're both gonna do is, we're both gonna vanish this water. Are you ready? To vanish this, we have to do a magical move. First, let me do it. Next, you're gonna do it. Watch carefully. Okay? What you're gonna do is, you're gonna close your eyes and you're gonna turn like this, saying, vanish, 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 vanish. No, wait, I'm done. Wait. Yeah, now you're gonna do it once again, okay? You're gonna close your eyes. Yeah, don't get panic, yeah. What are you supposed to say?
Vanish.
Yeah. Say vanish and slowly turn around. Very good, very good. Wait for my command. Wait. No, you can open your eyes. Wait for my command. If you close your eyes and if you say vanish, you know what happens? Water get vanished like this. Now, ma'am, you're gonna keep the cup like this. Exactly. Little bit up. Yeah. Now count of 3. What she gonna do is, she gonna turn the cup upside down on count of 3. Wait. On count of 3. Yeah, she's doing now itself. Yeah, that's great. Let's give a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Now, for the next match, you're gonna take a kid from here. Whom should we call? You want to come? She don't want to come. Yeah, we're gonna call her. Yeah, with a big round of applause. You're gonna come here. You're gonna step here. What's your name? What?
Nishka.
Nishka. Am I correct? Yes. Yeah. Can you see there is something missing for Nishka here? You know what? No, not there, ma. Here. There is something missing here. Even we don't know what is that. We're gonna fix that. To fix that, we need some paper. Don't worry, nothing. We got some paper here. Now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take these 2 papers. You're gonna show this paper to the audience like this. Very good, you're gonna put it back. Now watch, we're gonna do a magical move. You're gonna do this, watch. Very good, you have a great future. Come on, once again. Come on, once again. Now, for the last time, all the anger on your mom and dad. Come on. Yeah, that's nice. Now what you're gonna do is, we're gonna make a ball out of this. Make a ball like this. Very good. Now watch. Can you do this? Poof, poof. Not too much. Now watch. She got something special inside her hand. Watch. You're gonna open your hand. Open the paper. Open it. Watch. Open, yeah. Wait. No, not this one. Open, yeah, it's there. Wait, not this one. Hey! Wait this! Wait just a second. Did you say the magic spell? She didn't say the magic spell. But it's okay. I told the magic spell. I got something here. Hey, it looks like another snake. No, don't get scared. No, it's not like a snake actually. It's something else. It looks like some toy. Hey, no, it's not a toy. What is this? Yeah. It is a cap. Which looks perfect on her. We got this thing for a purpose. Now what are you going to do is, you're going to step here. Now we're going to give you something to drink. Do you like milk? Yeah, she likes milk. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to give some milk to her. Hey, wait. The milk is ready to drink, but to drink the milk we need something. What is that? Straw, correct. Anybody got a straw here? Straw. Without a straw we can't do this magic. We need a straw. Nobody has a straw. That's okay. I guess I got one inside my bag. Usually I carry one. Today also I have one. Yeah, it is here. Now, where do we keep the straw? Inside the mouth. Correct. Sure. Oh. It's a big one. Why did he keep this one? Wait. We don't have a small straw. Can you manage without a straw? Yeah, very good girl. You're going to turn like this. Now we're going to pour some milk for you and we're going to get this milk. Do you like Horlicks, Bonvita, Boost? You like everything? Unfortunately, we didn't get anything. We just have a pale milk. Can you do this? Just do it. Very good. Turn that side. Now we're going to keep this thing. Can you do? Very good. Do it once again. Do it once again. Do it once again. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Come on, that's great. Yeah, little bit. Yeah, look here. How was the milk? Nice it is. Let's give a big round of applause. Thank you so much. You can take a seat. Now, yeah, that is for you. Now, it's time to see your difficult, dangerous magic for the day. For this, we need a courageous kid from here who wants to come. You? No, ma. Big, little bit big kid. Yeah. You want to come, the one in the pink specs? No, that's very easy magic. Yeah. Yeah, with a big round of applause. Let's welcome her. Yeah, you can come here. Applause. You can step here. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna say bye to everybody. Say bye. Everybody say bye to her.
Bye.
You know why bye? Wait. Can I have the right hand? Yeah. Now what we're gonna do is, yeah, till here. Now we're gonna chop her hand till here. For that, you have to kneel down on your knees. Yeah, very good. Now to chop her hand, we need a chair. Can I borrow a chair? Yeah, we'll take this. We got a chair here. Now the chair is here. To chop her hand, we need a hand chopper. Anybody got a hand chopper here? Sir, hand chopper. What you didn't get it? Please do carry it every day. We might require. Just in case, I got one. Sorry, two. No, not this one I'm talking about. I was talking about this one. Take your hand out. Yeah. Now, what are you gonna do is you're gonna keep the hand inside this. Put your hand inside this. Yeah, very good. Will this thing come out? Okay, we'll put it till here. Yeah. Put your hand down. Yeah. That's great. Now, count of 3. We're gonna chop our hands down. But before that, we're gonna keep some spoon. You know why the spoon is for? To collect the blood and to drink later. It'll be nice. We're gonna keep one here. And are you ready? Yeah, but before that, we need to take permission from our mom and dad. Our dad, yeah. Mom is like, no, we'll ask the dad. Yes? What a lovely dad! He said yes! Now, before we chop her hand, I would like to tell you a truth. The thing is, I'm trying this magic for the first time. Mr. Rajendra asked me to try it. Yeah. So we'll do it. Sir, hospital is nearby? Yeah. Car key is ready? Hospital is nearby. Car key is ready. And on count of 3, we're going to chop your hands. Don't worry, nothing will happen. Only hands will come out. Tomorrow it's no homework. Keep it straight. We're going to keep the spoon here. Yeah. Now count of 3. 3. Wait. Shit. The blade is really sharp. Don't worry, nothing will happen. Yeah. Now count of 3. 3, 2, 1. 0.5, 0.25, 0.15, 0.05. Aye. Take your hands out. Show your hands to the audience. And wait. You know what happened to the spoon? Never ever try this magic at home if you want your right hand. If you don't want, you can try. Yeah. Once again, let's give a big round of applause for her. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna see a last magic for the day. For this, we need 2 strong ladies. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we got 2 here. Yeah, with a big round of applause. Yeah. They talk a lot. Aye, now we're gonna see something called as head chopping. The husbands are so happy. I understand. Yeah, ma'am, you're gonna step here and you're gonna step here. No, I was just kidding. Don't be so much happy. For them, we got some gift. You know what is this? It's a robe. Now we're gonna tie anyone. Whom should I tie? Should I tie her or should I tie her? Yeah, tell me. Whom should I tie? Should I tie her or should I tie her? No, you have no choice. You can't make a choice. Everybody tell me, kids, come on. Whom should I tie? Should I tie this auntie or this auntie? This auntie. Why, what did you do? My uncle will kill me. So instead what we'll do is, we'll not tie any of them. Instead, they're both gonna tie me. But before that, you're gonna take this end. You're gonna take this end. Come forward. You're gonna step forward. You're gonna pull this end. Come on. Let's see who's gonna win. Come on. No, I'm just kidding. Don't be serious here. Okay, leave it. I'm just kidding. Leave it. Yeah. Now watch. Now you're gonna take this end, and you're gonna take this end. You're gonna pull it really tight. Come on. Yeah. Really tight. Come this side. Yeah. Pull it really tight. Now I'm gonna keep my hand here. Who's good at putting a knot? Yes, ma'am. No, not. You used to tie your husband like this?
I think now I should go home and try.
Yeah, we are done with the first knot. We're gonna tie a second knot. Yes, ma'am, you can practice. Pull it really tight. Don't play with my hand. Be gentle. Now we are done with 2 knots. We're gonna put the last or final knot, the 3rd knot. Yeah, you both can do it together. Pull it. Yeah, pull it really tight. There's a gap. Yeah, it is done. Now we're gonna leave the end. Even you're gonna leave the end. Now, ma'am, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this cloth. You're gonna unfold it. By then, you're gonna check this knot once again. Is it tight? Pull it and see. Is it tight? And also check the rope around my leg. Pull the rope around my leg and see. Is it tight? Yes. Can anybody escape from this? No. A professor said no. Now you're gonna show the cloth to the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, this is front side. Turn the cloth around. This is back side. There is no trap door, straight door, scissors. I can escape from this. You are really doing good. We need assistant. Shortly we call you back. Now you're gonna give that end to her. Now watch. You're gonna cover. Cover.
Cover you?
No, not me. The knot. Just cover the knot. That's it. Till here. Yeah. Now you can hold it. You can hold it. Yeah. Now count of 3. I'm gonna come out of this. Oh shit! I just forgot something. Yeah. Wait. The thing is, yeah. There was a magician called as Harry Whitney who came out of this in 3 seconds. Let me try the same, but before that, can you check this once again?
I think just my game out.
I don't understand that. Yeah, you please do check the knot. Is it tight? No, pull the knot up and see.
One more.
And check the rope around my leg. Is it tight? Yeah, it is tight. Nobody can escape. You can leave that. Yes, ma'am. You're going to give that end to her. And you're going to cover it. Cover it till here. That's it. Yeah. Now count of 3. I'm going to come out of this. But before that. No. Cover it. Yeah. Wait. See, you should not see like that. Now watch. Before I come out of this, let's ask her what she thinks. Do you think I can come out of this?
You've already out.
This lady gone crazy. That's right. Let's ask her. No, cheese. Yeah. Now let's ask her. Do you think I can come out of this? No, yeah, because she had tied very tightly. Even she used to tie her husband. Used to come out? Never. Yeah. Now count of 3. I'm gonna come out of this. But before that, what we're gonna do is yeah. And some people still got down. Still I'm inside. Yeah. Now this time, let's give her a chance to check. Yes, ma'am, we're gonna check this once again.
One more?
You can put one more and you can check the knot also. Yeah, she's happy with one more. Yeah. Check the rope around the leg too. Pull it and see. Is it tight? Yeah, it is tight. Nobody can escape. Yeah, she had made another knot. Now, for the last time, everybody gonna count 3 and I'm gonna come out of this. Yes. Cover it. Yeah, everybody count 3. 3, 2, 1. I'm out of this. Let's give a big round of applause for 2 strong ladies. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you all enjoyed the magic show. I guess thanks a lot, love you all. And bye. This is Fierce standing off. Before I go, we got something for you, and this is for the kids. Thank you so much. And now we're gonna have a cake cutting. Thank you.